think it's time for me to update my wardrobe. Let's get into this unboxing. What's up, guys? BJ Kicks here, and welcome to Kicks on Kicks, my channel where I review sneakers. Now, you might be thinking, well, you review sneakers, what is this? What are we doing right now? Well, so I started this channel about a month ago, and you guys have been showing some crazy support. So we've been reviewing a lot of sneakers, and we got a lot more sneaker reviews coming. Subscribe if you're into that. But I figured with all these sneakers coming in, I should probably start to step up my wardrobe a little bit because, for one, we've been in a pandemic for the last 2 years. I've been working from home. I've been wearing pretty much sweatpants and ball shorts for like the last 2 years in a row, every day, every occasion. You know what I'm saying? I might have gained a couple of pounds. I'm allowed, whatever, right? So there's that. But then there's also the fact that just in regular everyday life, I am totally fine to just wear like a $12 superhero graphic tee from Target or Walmart or whatever. And, you know, like I said, whatever sweatpants or gym shorts or whatever I decide to put on. But, you know, the world's opening back up. We got a whole channel where we're talking about sneakers. So we should probably start putting some fits together. And that is where today's sponsor comes in. So shout out to Repdog. Now, Repdog is a pretty dope website where you can get pretty much anything. I mean, they got vintage t-shirts. They got designer t-shirts. They've got designer toys. They got pants. They got everything that you would want to build your wardrobe, including sneakers. So you can go ahead to repdog.cc, use my discount code KICKS123 and save yourself some money while getting fly. Now, I placed an order with Repdog for 2 t-shirts because I wanted to see what the quality was like, and here we are. So I actually opened this up because I was expecting there was going to be a package from China, and this package actually came from New Jersey. So I was like, oh, okay. So I opened it up, and I was like, okay, this is the Repdog order. So anyway, not a true unboxing. I already opened this up. But in the package, got some Supreme stickers, which I didn't order. So those are nice extras to come here. I don't do bumper stickers, at least not on my actual car. So these will just be sitting here. Maybe I'll give them away in a giveaway at some point in the future. But got 2 shirts, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Take that little sleeve off and bang. So, like I said, I'm like, you know, I'm content to wear like superhero graphic tees. I can find an X-Men shirt or a Batman shirt to wear for like the rest of my life every day. There's plenty of them. But if I'm gonna be wearing like, you know, Travis Scott sneakers and the latest retros and stuff, you know, sometimes you got to get a fit off with your kicks. So, you know, let's do it. So let's go ahead. I saw this shirt on the site and I was like, ooh, I need to grab that. Now, I'm looking at these. This is really just a quick unboxing. I'll do separate reviews for these shirts later on. But see, we got a poly bag here. So let's unzip this. And you already saw what was inside. So this is Play by Comme des Garcons. And it's just, you know, your standard Comme des Garcons Hearts t-shirt. Now, I will say this is printed on a super heavy blank. Definitely a thick quality blank. Interesting. Huge care tag on the inside. Pretty nice sewn in tag on your neckline. And it's a dope shirt. So again, Play by Comme des Garcons. I got mine in a size extra large because, you know what I'm saying, I got a little fat. It's all good. Shout out to the skinny fat gang. Now, I'm super curious to see how this shirt fits. I got it an extra large because I thought I would need one. I've been wearing XLs and like all the graphic tees from Target. Just looking at this, looks like it might be a little large, but I think it's supposed to have like a sort of oversized feel. So I'm excited to see how this fits. And like I said, I'm going to do a review, like an actual review of this shirt to get the fit off because I bought this specifically to go with my Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1s. And I think it'll be a dope fit. I gotta figure out, I gotta buy some pants to wear with this. So that's the first shirt I grabbed. Shout out to Repdog for that one. And let's look at this next one. This one's a slightly flimsier bag, but a bag nonetheless. Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. So, also in a size extra large, I grabbed this. This is a Kanye West late registration Touch the Sky Tour t-shirt from 2005. This is like, you know, super vintage. Like I said, also printed on a heavy blank t-shirt with that ashy black look to look aged. I like that a lot. Now, it's got all the dates and cities. Fun fact, my first concert ever was the Usher Confessions Tour in 2004. And the Confessions Tour featured a headline or an opening act named Kanye West. Technically, he didn't open the show. John Legend opened the show. And then it was Kanye. And then it was Usher. So that was my first concert back when College Dropout was popping. And this was Kanye's first solo tour, the Touch the Sky Tour. And man, super dope. This just takes me all the way back. This is also in a size extra large, and I'm excited about that. Because I assume that these shirts are going to shrink, but I can't lie, I'm about to be swimming in this joint. So, again, I'm gonna do 2 separate videos to actually review these shirts from Repdog and tell you how the fit is, how they look and feel after one wash. I think that's important. And whether or not I think these are a win. So I do have some notes from Repdog about these t-shirts though. All right. So on the Comme de Garçon tee, they did say it's recommended to buy one size larger than your usual size. Like I said, I'm a size extra large. This seemed like it was going to fit me fine. So I don't know, but he said they recommend to go one size larger. So do what the man says. And then also on the Kanye West tee, the late registration tee, this one is true to size. You can wear your same size as normal. I really love this shirt. Like I said, the fit on the t-shirt on these are like super heavy t-shirts. You know what? Forget it. I'm going to throw the shirts on. All right. So I got the Kanye shirt on. For me, it's a little big for my liking. I think I do love this super high neckline though. Like it's right there. All in all though, this is definitely like that kind of bigger slouched look. I mean, I don't think I would go a size smaller at all, but I got to get used to this cut. It's really the sleeves hitting my elbow that annoys the heck out of me, but that's just the way kids are wearing their shirts these days. It's not a knock on Repdog at all. So that's the Kanye shirt. I love this design. I love the ashy black. I got to find some pants to go with this though. All right. And bang, bang. Now we are here with the Comme des Garçons tee. And I see why they said to go a size up, right? This fits a little bit better. This is a little bit more fitted the way I like my clothes. But it's short. It's shorter than your typical t-shirt a little bit. So once you wear this one time, you shrink it in the wash, you know, it'll be shrunk in the wash. So I think going one size up is definitely going to be recommended on this one. But I think it's a dope shirt. I love the feel. It feels heavy. It feels like it's going to last a little while. The quality on this screen print feels really good as well. So all in all, I feel like I got my money's worth. So yeah, all in all, I feel like I got my money's worth. I like this shirt. I like the Kanye shirt too, but I think this is definitely my favorite out of the 2 that I ordered. So look, if you're trying to go on Repdog and grab yourself some stuff, then you can save 5% with the code KICKS123 at checkout. That's going to do it for me. I'm going to stop trying to be a clothes model and get back to the sneakers in another review very soon. Until then, be safe, be well, and wear your kicks. Peace.